Hi, I'm Mark from Mark B Reviews. This is a review of the Yaheetech two-seater sofa bed. So we actually picked up two of these for the garden room. So in choosing these, we wanted something that was affordable but still comfortable. Didn't take up too much space on the floor but was still stylish, and the options there if we want to use it as a sofa bed. We've had these now for, I'd say, 3 months. They are actually comfortable. I've sat here and watched full football matches, very comfortable, no complaints whatsoever. The fabric is like a synthetic suede kind of feel to it. So the backrest on this, to convert it into a sofa bed, push forward and then head back. Okay, it's not the biggest bed, but if you've got people staying for one night, your friends are crashing here after having a drink or whatever and don't want to drive home, it's a perfectly feasible bed. To put this back up, just so you can click it to there, gives you a bit more of a recline, or you can bring it right up and have it upright again. You can have them at different levels, so this one's reclined, this one's up. That's them both up. You can have one down, one up. Oh. And that's it, back to normal. So in terms of the construction, the side panels, the armrests, come completely separate. This side was all one piece. This side was all one piece. There's, I think it was 2 bolts. Yeah, 2 bolts through here to hold it together. The legs also screw into both sides to help hold it together. These legs just screw in and out, you can just twist those in. And there's little brackets on these for sliding those in, and then there's a bolt coming through here as well. So it is pretty solid, although the legs are made of plastic. These ones are metal, but these are made of plastic. And it comes in 2 large boxes. I didn't record a video of me assembling it, but it is quite simple. I did this entirely by myself with no help, so it's no problem putting it together. So overall, I think it's actually a very decent sofa. Nice and comfy. Doesn't take up a massive amount of space on the floor. Very flexible as far as being able to recline or go completely flat for a sofa bed. And because we had to buy 2 of them, we didn't want to, shell out for a very expensive sofa. Having kids in the house, it's only a matter of time before somebody puts their feet up on it with their shoes on, or spills a drink, or drops sweets on it, or something like that. And we didn't want to have, a ridiculously expensive sofa to worry about getting steam cleaned or anything. This fit the bill perfectly. I think that'd be a great choice for maybe an office, to have a sofa at the side of the office for when people come to visit. If you wanted to have maybe in your waiting room, something like that. If you're setting up a small podcast studio, great choice. So overall, if you're looking for an affordable sofa, I think this could be a great choice for you. It's very flexible, it's comfortable, looks good, nice fabric, nice stitching. I think it's a great affordable option if you're looking for comfort and style on a budget. As always, if you'd like to support the channel and help to keep the lights on, there is a link to buy this down in the description there at Amazon. I'll get a small commission from that, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. You just pay the regular price. So yeah, that would be really appreciated if you'd like to do that. I hope you found this review helpful. If you have, remember to smash the like button, subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.